Literally. You know what time it is, bro? What's going on, guys, and welcome back to yet another video. Hey, I've been waiting for this for a minute, guys, and so I received some of the parts for my car. As you guys can see back here, I have everything laid out that I'm gonna be installing on my car today. But before we even get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, all that stuff, and let me know if you guys enjoy car stuff. Without further ado, guys, so right here I got everything that I was waiting on to install on my baby right here. It's gonna look amazing, guys. I swear to God. Oh my God, I've been waiting. So if you guys didn't check out my last videos where I switched my my mirror cap right here, I also wrapped my little V thing that I told you guys about that I was gonna do, and then I also installed my black grills. If you guys didn't see those videos, make sure you go ahead and make sure you go head over there and check those out, because yo, why not, right? But yeah, guys, so for this video though, I'm gonna be waiting for my friend, my boy Richard. He's coming through to help me out because yeah, I don't really want to do it by myself, and why not? I still got a couple things that I want to do to this car, like I still gotta paint my rims black, and I still gotta wrap at least the sunroof for right now. I told you guys in the past video that I wanted to wrap the whole car, but I just don't know what color yet. All right, so if you guys have any ideas on what color I should do, let me know down below and I might do that. But yeah, I really want to wrap my car because I feel like everybody got a white Beamer, bro. I feel like everybody has a white Beamer. Don't get me wrong, I love this car. It just looks nice though. It just, you know what, it does look nice, but I feel like I want to have something different. And yeah, I don't know what color I should wrap it. If you guys have anything that you guys want to see this, let me know and I will do that. All right, so guys, so as you can see, I'm right now on the floor just because I'm gonna be removing the the rear diffuser. This is super simple though. There's like a couple bolts under it. All you gotta do is remove them, and once you remove them, then it can just pop right off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. All you'll need is these two pieces right here. These two pieces is all you'll need to take it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking them off because I was waiting for my friend, but I'm gonna just go ahead and start because why not? So let me just get under and remove them, and see you soon, guys. Okay, guys, so what I had to do here pretty much is unscrew all the screws. I don't remember exactly how many it has, but if you get under your car, you should be able to see everything. Then I use the machine too to make it faster, just because by hand everything's just harder by hand. So if you can get your hands on one of these machines, I recommend it. Once you do that, then you kind of gotta, you know, use your hands to kind of take off the old rear diffuser. It was kind of hard at first and it got kind of stuck at some point, but I got it out. So here we go, out with the old one, in with the new one. So pretty much I went ahead, used my hands, you know, to kind of line it up perfectly. At some point I thought that I got the wrong one, but I didn't. So I asked my brother to kind of like hold it for me so I can, you know, do it better. So he was able to help a lot, so he held it, and then once he did that, it made it a lot easier for me to then, like, later on, like right now, I pretty much, you know, had everything set up. So I just went ahead and started screwing all the screws back in to have it come out perfect. You feel me? How we like it. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I've just finished installing the rear diffuser. It actually came out nicer than I thought. It was a little bit of a hassle though, just because, I don't know, it wasn't fitting right. So I thought for a sec that I bought the wrong size, but nah, it looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next spots, or the next parts that I got. So it's looking nice though.
3 hours later.
Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install the front lip now. I don't know how this is probably gonna take me the longest, just because there's so many different parts to it, and I gotta drill hella holes. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do this now and see what happens. So pretty much I just the lip itself comes with like holes where you're gonna, like, not holes, but like where you want to make the holes. So I pretty much just grabbed my drill and I just made the holes where it said. So most of them usually come prepared already, but mine didn't, so I had to make the holes myself. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Other than that, it's nothing crazy. Just make some holes, you know, where the screws is gonna go, and you'll be alright. So guys, look, so it came in different parts. Oh shit. So what I gotta do is I gotta 3M tape this to the actual lip, and then from there, then I can just go ahead and put it on there. But yeah, tú sabes, normalito, una vaina bacanita. Do my own mods, tú sabes. So this is basically what it will look like. on both sides, and then from here I just, you know, tape it to the other side. Sabe? So once you finish all that, pretty much, this is what the finished product will look like. Once you 3M tape the pieces together, this is what it should look like. It should look nice and neat. You know, I'm kind of a perfectionist in a way, so I like everything to be perfect, and so that's what happened here. Other than that, man, now it's good to go, ready to get put on the car. Okay, so I pretty much asked my brother to help me out on this one, just because, you know, it's just easier with two people. So we went ahead and just lined everything up. I put 3M tape on the lip, so once we put it on there, it was, you know, stuck forever, so it wasn't gonna come off. So I asked for his help, that way we can line it up perfect, and that's what we did. Okay, so here I pretty much, you know, I just did it because I wanted to. I went ahead and started screwing the screws in all the different holes that I made at the beginning, if you guys saw. The middle one, for some reason, I don't know, like the screw wasn't long enough, so I was putting a lot of pressure into try to make it go through the you know, the front. It was harder because I had a little tool and I had no lifts, but you know, we made it work anyways, you feel me? Sexy. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I just finished installing my front lip. It was actually harder than I thought, I'm not gonna lie, just because for some reason the side, like the screw here and the screw on the side, the one that it came with, it was too long, and then the one that I had before, it was too short. So I had to go ahead and do something, but you know, we figured it out, and it's pretty good on there. So let me know what you guys think down below. That will be it though for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, of course, and let me know. I'm thinking of wrapping my car. Let me know what color I should do if I do decide to do it, but it's not gonna be now though. So you know, let me know and we'll do that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. So guys, unfortunately, I lost the footage to my side skirt. If you guys want an in-depth, you know, video on how to put on your side skirt, let me know and I'll just kind of remake it for you guys. But here I found a clip that I had of me showing my side skirt, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with it, and then yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, you guys, so I just finished installing the side skirt. This is what it looks like. Yeah, look at it from this angle a little bit. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It looks actually really nice. I did it by myself, so it's kind of hard when you do it by yourself, to be honest, but I mean, you could do it. I did it. So this is what it looks like without it. So this is what it looks like without, and then let me go ahead and show you guys. And then this is what it looks like with it. I'm thinking of getting this part right here painted black or carbon. I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it like how it is. I don't know, let me know, guys, what you think. And yeah, let's go ahead. So I just finished this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and yeah, go from there. So keep watching.